Hey everyone, myself Arun. Hope you all are doing good. So today in this video, I am going to provide a quick walkthrough of this automatic uh, Gantt chart where we have three tabs. First one is the tabular digital data, which is the raw data tab, and then the other tab is the activity, or we can call out it as the one that we have to fill out the colors. So I put my own colors over here in the color scheme bar tab. And this one is the Gantt chart creation process. So this is basically I have created using VBA macro and some automatic functions. So let me show you the process quickly. So here we have the data. So we can add as much as of data here in this sheet. So let me show you. I already 1011, 1012, 1011, and then 1012 with different activities, as you can see here. This is a different activity which starts on 3rd September at 2:15 and then ends at 7th of September. Then the same registration is having different activity, which is supply collection. So maybe this is a unique ID, we can call it, but maybe we have different activities for that ID. So we and the different time. So we can add more. Let's see if I can add 1016, and then see we can just make it to drive, and then 12th. Let's say it 12th of September, yeah. And then maybe this one is 16. Let's see, two days after that. So start date is 12th of September and end date is 17th of September. Now here in this activity index, I put my own colors. So you have a choice and you have a freedom of choosing any color. So if you want to choose, I have chosen this yellow color over here. If you want to make it some different color, let's say I'm adding to red. Sorry, red is already added. Let me add a different color. Blue is already added. Let's say we can add orange, maybe orange. Yeah. Yeah, similar to what orange. Now I'm just clicking on this button. So what this button is doing is it will just make all these duplicates to remove. So all the data from this sheet is being copied from here to here, and these cells will automatically get colored as per their activity and the time schedule. So the time schedule column is on the top of the row here. So it's upon us whatever we can do. I mean, I have taken day wise. We can choose to week wise as well. So I'm adding week wise. So it's upon it's upon you, whatever you can choose over here, weekly, daily, monthly, or quarterly, whatever. So we just need to drag and copy in the cells to the right hand side. Now I'm just running this macro. As we can see here, the color of yellow gets changed to the color of orange here, the activity index. So it's a live implementation. So it's very easy. So this tool is very easy to create the Gantt charts using this data. So you have your own data over here. You can place any data, and obviously you can change the activity as well. So the step is whatever the activities or in your terms, whatever you have the data that you need to come up with here with the coloring. So you can just add all the details over here and place the colors upon your colors. And I mean, then you can just play around this macro. So this is a tool that I've created, and I hope you might found it useful, because that's, I mean, it's an automatic version. So I hope you like this video, and if you need this file, you can just reach me out. Um, Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.